Hello, bad mime.
Good morning.
Good night.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, right about now, you see me? Me have to say, Vybz Kartel, all the best, my brother, over there in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You don't know? Work up on the health, you know what I mean? Jody there, a guide and protect my brother. You see me? So, you know what I come for talk about now, my people? So, I see we are Ifrica, at a Queen Ifrica. Zine, drop a thing in her life on her IG. She talk a bag of things over them people. But she makes some talk pertaining to Vybz Kartel. And my people, it's not a good talk. Big man thing, it's not a good talk. So you see when them people make some talk and it's not right, whether Vybz Kartel or any other individual people, me go really attack it. You see me? No joke about it. First of all, I want to say big up to everyone, each and every one of my viewers and subscribers on the day in the world. See it? Alright. Sometimes when I talk, people have things to say. Them have to say, NEWLINK, you always a support Vybz Kartel, as a Gaza man, that's why you talk this, that's why you talk that. Only for something, but as I say, I tell you, not because of Kartel, it's just truth and reality based on how me talk. You see me? And anybody who real, them don't know how the thing and them don't know how me stay. So, you are going, my people. Alright. This is Ifrica, you know. Zine, come here, go share that look of clippings with Ifrica. You see me? When she make her attack. And I want to hear what she have to say, my people. And say why the attacking boss don't feel good. So, listen to her.
Tell Vybz Kartel her whatever version of him that we want to send out from back behind the bars. Me I talk to the version of Vybz Kartel we then send out from behind the bars. My youth, you see if you're not humble in front of the Almighty Creator and do it right now, me I talk the true and living Almighty Creator where you pray to fi beg him fi not make you dead and beg him fi make you come a road and beg him and no other God where you bow to can give you the freedom where you pray for in a privacy, my youth. And me see say from your touchy ground, a right which part you going from, a this so you pick up back from. Sir. A right which part you going, you come out and come pick up back from. And I ignore the Almighty Creator who will give you favor. You come out and bat for the devil out the gate you out of that me see you do. And have the Almighty people because them under trance, under KFC, under Jerry and W0M, and underneath all of the crosses where no have the Jamaica populace under so that no kingdom can establish no dark kingdom. But me I tell you know, me I tell you again, DJ, you see instead of you have your little loyal brethren, Sean Storm, let me say this to you, Sean Storm, before me go no further. You look like a little youth where fear God for true, like somewhere deep inside of you there, you look like little God in you for true. Me want to tell you, say, go and cap, you see that play piano for your grandmother, something they go and do that youth. You see,
well, my viewers and subscribers, that is herself, Queen Ifrica. And basically, as me shown her from the other day, you have one bag of people say them a prophet and them say this and them say that, you know. But she not say she prophet, none. She just want to say, she a give a talk to Vybz Kartel. The big man Vybz Kartel, 48-year-old. You see me? She a give advice to him. Zane, what kind of advice she a give to Kartel? Me a tell you truth, people. So, if Kartel stays a boom, and the man choose it, there with the way he want, there with a 48-year-old man. Living and I show love. They on the media. How is that this man gone to the same how him used to be? And even if him want go to the same, now him one big man, 48-year-old, that's not his decision. So why should it be a problem to Queen Ifrica and whoever feel like it's a problem or an offense to them? Eh? Let the man be. Me I tell you the truth, someone need to go suck on yourself. Big man thing, yo. Let the man be, yo. Yo, me not like Uno, you know. Me not like Uno. Because Uno just a look at strength and hype for the man, you know. Uno artist, Ifrica, you're an artist or you is a blogger. Which one are your occupation? Zin, I want to know what's your real occupation? An entertainer or a blogger who watch people life? You see me? Because something don't look right with you. My people, truthfully and realistically. Zin, alright. Vybz Kartel, my people. I want to know just be real. Vybz Kartel, they're on the same level when they depend when it right now since him come out. When him the gone, him they on the same level to you. You ever see Vybz Kartel in a this farmer where like you see a family time the man say, eh? So how you would consider say the man they on the same level and this and that? No, me are showing the people wicked in a yo. People just don't want to see people live yo. Want to do about 4 million US, 600 odd million Jamaican dollar. That a hurt, you know? Question. Is that hurting and I make you feel pain? Eh? I must that because there's no way. You see me? Vybz Kartel on the same level. Where you claim Queen Ifrica say him depend. You see me? It's totally a different side of Vybz Kartel. We see a calmer side. I'm more like, it's like a lot of people have say, yo, come like Vybz Kartel is not the cartel and more the man get a softer side and more loving side now people. You're the most like I see the man and the woman you see. So how can you consider and say, yo, the man pick up when he left and go prison same thing in Depon and this and that? Me I tell you now, when it's just a hater, bro. You just hate the man. You see how the man I live, bro. Want to envy the man and grudge because what? You can't post on the media with phone or loved ones. Eh? When in Africa, me I tell you the truth, me say you have a problem or you have trouble, yo. See me? The other day me see you make you are say you are send 200 rebel advice. You see me? And you have 200 rebel number. You can call him if you want to give him advice in a pertain. You say some fest this, some fest that. Because he just hurt you. If you see Vybz Kartel Queen Ifrica and don't sound them are doing welcome concert. Because you don't know you lash out first, you know. And this, you know what I mean? Some fest them, you this cat and you this Joe. So it just hurt you. And you come publicly, yeah, so you did get 200 your advice. So why you never call 200 rebel or just and talk to him? Why you have to come tell us? We don't want to know nothing about that. You see me? Showing us something is just problem, yo. Big man, yo, me not caring on a straight attack. Me not joke with no attack. Me people, me angry. You see me? Vybz Kartel and Shorty left. You see me? You, Shorty don't come adjust the full room as was went down. Kartel don't come. But a lot of people are speculating Vybz Kartel sell out for your other nationality. Come on, yeah, what happened to you? What happened to you upon Kartel name, Kartel this, Kartel that? Let the man be, bro. The man need even soon. You understand? Honestly, if you don't shit on the man need even smell, you know. Because it would come like we don't even exist to the man. So I'm gonna say why? You just, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows I never see nothing like this for people. It seems like it's a Kartel 8th season or something. Oh my word, oh my patience. All me can say, yo. So my owner just need for bill. You see me? Really. Because Ifrica, yo, you have a lot of things where you need to go look in your life and get sorted out and get fixed up. You understand? You should never make Kartel be a problem to you. You see me? Big man thing. Because all along, you know, the attacking boss always supporting the Queen Ifrica. But you see when me see, you go on the other way, and you know, no. We definitely have to put you in your place and make you know yourself, man. Leave the world boss alone. Leave the man. The man will live a decent and a more you know what I mean? And a lot of people, me see the comments and them say, yo, you need to leave the man. It come like you have a personal problem with the man. Why would you have find yourself yesterday them type of things about the man? Eh? Why? For what reason? Eh? Leave the man. You just bad mind, yo. Me I tell you, bad mind I kill you, no. Bad mind I kill you, no. It hurt you, know. Yo, people. Then lot of them in themselves, Vybz Kartel, never forward back. Lot of them wicked sin thing ya. Them say the man never forward back a road. That in a them heart in a sink in a them heart in a. And when they see man forward now, yeah, look at them now. But yeah man, glad to see him come back, you know. Yeah man, and you know, God make him come back out. So you know what open training and go turn Christian. And you say, oh no, you know set a wagonist, you know. You know set a bad mind crouches, you know. Yo, me I tell you know so that's a people, yo, you say people, yo. I'm afraid of them people. People, I'm afraid of people because people wicked G. Them wicked. You see me? The same sin thing them in a way come about them and give advice. They were the same one who have brutalized Kartel and him and Sean Stam, Kyra Jones, Andre Name. And I say, yo, them this and them that. Them that deserve because them a murder and them this and them that. Them same wicked sin thing. Now them are say this and say that. Listen man, remember this. Me now say God, you know, God and time, you know. That are the talk, God and time, you know. And God, thank you for everything, Father God, for protect us, guide us. You understand? Without God, we are nothing. You see me? But remember, people, God do in the midst of it. But it also, God bless Vybz Kartel if you have money. You understand? And the money help him through God's blessings. So remember that because a lot of poor people who don't have it in the same position. And if they are road and then can't do a road because of the system and then don't got the resources and the funds to help themselves. You see me? So, yo, wanna let the man be. Let the man enjoy life. You understand? Me no know what went down with, you know, there's a lot of rumors and speculations. So Shorty go do this and do that. You understand? So I don't know what went down. So if the man choose to go him other way, Shorty does to go other way and you know what I mean, and just load the media. What it don't make sense, yo. Me know people are gonna hurt. You see me? But people, yo, let the man be, yo. Let the man be. That's not a joke, man. My people just big up on themselves, more love, more respect, and more blessings. I'm just wanting to know this. Remember, Kartel never link me and say NEWLINK say this and say that. Never. Me and Kartel never hold a conversation pertaining to none of them topics what me I do. You see me? Never. Now no followers of Kartel, I know affiliate with Kartel. Never. You know, but it's just reality how me feel. How people just wicked in society, yo, and that's how we attack it. You see me? But you don't know we all listen. It's Vybz Kartel and your whole family. Big up yourself, my brother. I must say, your health, brother. Jano, a guidance, brother, upon that. Sean Stam, Kyra, Andre. Wanna big up on yourself, G. I want your people, I want love, you know, and I want blessings, and I want team, I want dream, and I want attacking boss, and just stay safe. You don't know. Peace out. Big up.